Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a BDO bank customer, you know how important it is to keep track of your transactions, especially with all the new features rolling out in 2025. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to view your transaction history in BDO online. This updated process is super user-friendly and includes some cool enhancements for better security and ease of use. Whether you're checking for recent purchases or reviewing old statements, this tutorial will get you up to speed in just a few minutes. First things first, make sure you have the latest BDO online app installed on your phone or access it via the website on your computer. The 2025 version includes biometric login options like fingerprint or facial recognition for added security. Pretty awesome, right? Once you're ready, start by opening the app and logging in with your username and password. If you're on the website, just head to bdo.com.ph and enter your credentials. Now, let's get to the main steps. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. Look for the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen or on the left sidebar if you're on a desktop. Tap or click on it to see a list of your accounts. Next, select the specific account you want to review, say, your savings or credit card. Then, scroll down or navigate to the Transaction History section, which is usually highlighted with a clear icon like a clock or list. Once you're in the transaction history page, you'll see a detailed timeline of your activities. You can filter by date, amount, or even transaction type using the drop-down menus at the top. For example, if you want to see only the last month's purchases, just set the date range and hit Apply. In the 2025 update, there's also a search bar to find specific transactions quickly, game changer for busy folks. A quick tip: always double-check that your app is updated to avoid any glitches, and remember to log out after you're done for security reasons. If you run into issues, like an error message, try clearing your cache or contacting BDO support through the in-app chat. And there you have it. Viewing your transaction history in BDO online is easier than ever in 2025. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.